So if you guys have been looking for a nice portable sprayer, boy, do I got a sprayer for you. This guy is called the AmzWolf. It comes with many extra things. We got plastic bags for the pan. We got plenty of nozzles to do whatever spray job you have your way. It also comes with some nice spray gloves. And also it comes with some paint strainers. So that way you make sure you got no clumps in your paint. And if you have any questions, it also comes with the user manual that breaks everything down if you're new to painting. But let's see what comes in this bag here. As you open it up, as you can see, we have a nice nozzle on this, and it's a metal nozzle. And it also comes with a really high capacity tank. And it also comes with a little filter, another filter type, just drain some paint. As you can see, it just threads right on top. And just give it a little snug. And I really like that this is detachable. So the motor part is completely detachable from the sprayer, and it's easily, you just lock it in, and then even the trigger's detached. So everything is really nice and clean. We got a nice hook there for hanging. And just to get it apart, we just push one button and pull it apart. And putting it back together is really nice and easy. And the trigger has a nice feel to it, and this is the corded model. So I'm going to test it out with some paint that I had lying around. It's a little chunky, but we'll see how it does. The other feature that I really like about this sprayer is you can adjust the pressure right on the left side here. Right now I have it as low as it can go just to see how fine-tuned this thing is. And I'm really impressed on how small of a pattern I can actually get with this sprayer, because I don't always need a lot of paint, so I like that it's selectable. And I also have one of the smaller tips on this, but I'm going to turn up the pressure on it and see what I can get it to do. And I really like how controllable this sprayer is. Now, I have a smaller tip on it, but at full power, it has a nice consistency of what it puts the paint on. Also really like that I can adjust the sprayer head to fit whatever angle that I need for whatever project I'm working on. So that way it helps with wrist fatigue, so it can help how you spray. Also, I love how consistent this sprayer works. I put very little paint in it, and as you can see, it is not missing a beat at all. And also, if you're working on really high detail stuff, this thing comes with a little cordless light. It's super bright. It's a lot brighter than I expected, but I really like if I'm painting something and I don't have the bestest light, I can make sure my sprayer has just the right amount of light. And after you're done, the lights even got multiple modes. I don't know why you want to paint with strobe light mode, but it also comes with so many tips to fit whatever need that you have. It comes with the cleaning brush, comes with this monster tip, comes with this other tip, and then it has all these different spray tips on it. And as you can see, each one's a different hole size. So this guy will actually do a really wide fan pattern. And it just has every little possibility that you may come across, and it even comes with a little charger for the cordless light. So this sprayer is packed with so many extras, and it's a great affordable price. And I really love how dialed down I can get this sprayer. Like, I don't even feel like I have to like prep or like get ready to spray the area. I feel like I can get this thing so fine-tuned that I can just paint without even having to prep, because it's such like almost airbrush quality, and I really like it. And I really like that it can also do a really big fan for painting walls in bigger areas. But this guy is just pretty sweet. But I got away from using sprayers because there's so much work to clean up. But once I got this one, it kind of makes me want to spray more because it's so easy to clean. I take it apart. I don't have to worry about getting the motor wet. And then all these pieces come apart, and then it's so easy to clean after you're done. I think it only took me about 5 to 10 minutes to clean it out. If I used one of the plastic liners, I could have skipped this step. And then even rinsing out the hose, you can see all these parts are separate, and it's got the seal built into it. And then this is where you can use your brush to get it clean. I can't do that with one hand. And then you can even clean the nozzle head where the air goes out. For the price of this sprayer, you just can't go wrong. I was hesitant to get this because some of these sprayers just don't work right, but I'm totally happy I did. I highly recommend this little paint sprayer.